Let me ask you something. Are you living or just existing? You wake up, same bed, same routine. You scroll through your phone, chasing noisy notifications, reels, headlines. Like your mind is busy, but your life is on pause. You're alive, but not awake, breathing, but not becoming. And deep down, you know it. It's like you're stuck in a loop, like you're running on autopilot. But here's the truth. No one tells you. You're not just distracted, you're being programmed. From the moment you were born, your mind started recording what they told you was possible, what they told you was normal, what they made you believe about yourself. You're not smart enough. You're too lazy. That's just who you are. And guess what? You believed it. Not because it was true, but because no one ever taught you how to question it. Your mind, your most powerful tool, has been hijacked by repetition, trauma, and noise. And the worst part, that programming still runs your life. That's why you keep self-sabotaging. That's why you can't stay focused. That's why you start things and never finish. You're not broken, you're just stuck running the wrong code. And every day you delay fixing it, you waste time, energy, and purpose. You lose touch with who you were meant to be. But here's the breakthrough. You can reprogram it, you can rewrite your story, you can rebuild your mental operating system. Discipline isn't punishment. It's the doorway to power. Focus isn't restriction. It's the path to freedom. Your thoughts aren't you. They're habits, patterns, inputs, and like any system, they can be upgraded. Your mind is a battlefield. And every day, you're either winning or surrendering. You want motivation. You don't need it. You need clarity, vision, relentless execution. Forget waiting for the right moment. You make the moment right. You build the muscle of control. And you refuse to let weakness write your future. Because let's face it, no one is coming to save you. This is your fight. This is your responsibility. So here's the truth. If you don't take control of your mind, it will take control of your future, not tomorrow. Now, reprogram your thoughts, rebuild your focus, and take back your life. If this hits you, don't scroll. Comment, I'm ready. Subscribe not for motivation, but for transformation. This is Alpha Focus 2.0M, where your